So, do we have any other social media accounts?
Well, yeah, we sure do.
Of course we do. Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
And yes, we do have other accounts besides our YouTube channel, which you might be interested in. We have several Facebook pages. The biggest one is, guess what? Tiny House Prepper.
Yep.
Our Tiny House Prepper Facebook group. We have quite a few thousand subscribers or members on that. And oh, by the way, everything we talk about, the links will be below, so you can see that.
Oh yeah, we'll have everything included below.
On the Tiny House Prepper Facebook group, that gives you more of an opportunity to interact with us and to interact with each other. And I also put additional things on there occasionally that I don't put on the YouTube channel. So check it out. It's a great place to be. Also, we have another Facebook group called Thriving Good Recipes.
It's fun.
Yeah. Now this is a little bit different from the Tiny House Prepper Facebook group, which is open to everyone. Thriving Good Recipes is also open to everyone, but just like the name implies, we do a lot of discussion about Thrive there.
And using the food in different recipes and people's ideas, and they
Right.
share with each other,
Right.
and yeah.
Because what we have found is that some of you are very interested in Thrive and they want us to do more Thrive videos, more cooking videos. And some people are not as happy with that. They feel like it's too commercial if we do too much.
And we don't want to be too commercial.
And we don't want to be too commercial, no. So we have Thriving Good Recipes Facebook group where we can put up additional cooking videos and things like that. Actually, we're not doing as many as I would like to. I hope to start ramping up a little bit more.
Yeah, to put more ideas on there and everything.
But here's the cool thing. It's open for anybody who uses Thrive to be able to put up Thrive recipes as well.
Yep.
So if you're somebody who uses Thrive and you have a favorite recipe that you use Thrive, it doesn't have to be 100% Thrive.
No.
It can just be where you use some Thrive ingredients in your recipe. We would love to see it. We would love to hear it. And other subscribers would love to as well.
Yep.
So go check it out there. Thriving Good Recipes Facebook group. It's a great place to be in. It's everything Thrive.
And it can help people understand better how easy it is to cook with it, and get more ideas and feel more like you have an idea of what you might want to try to do.
Right.
Yeah, we just wanted to make that kind of fun for everybody.
Yep.
So.
Now speaking of Thrive, we also have one other Facebook group for Thrive, which is called Thrive Train, and this is only for my team, my Thrive team. If you're a consultant underneath of me, then that's where I can interact with you. You can interact with me. It's for training, for Thrive.
Yeah, lots of training videos. Yeah.
And I know I do have a number of consultants on my team who are not on Thrive Train Facebook group yet. So if that's you, I'd love to see you join so we can interact more freely on that.
Well, and there's so much good training on there. So many good videos for training. Yep. But we mainly wanted to make sure all of you guys know about our Tiny House Prepper Facebook group.
Right.
Yep.
Right. Now, we both also have personal Facebook groups, our pages, but we are trying very hard to keep our private life and our public life separate. So, like my own personal Facebook page, I have about 250 friends, and it's made up of close friends and relatives, and that's it. And I have a lot of people, 30, 40 people a week, requesting to be friends on my personal Facebook group. And please don't be offended if I don't approve you. Like I said, I'm trying to keep my personal life separate.
Right, and it's also kind of a practical thing, because if we let those get too big, then anything that's ever posted just disappears almost immediately.
Right.
It's too hard to handle it as far as interacting with family and friends on there.
If a friend of mine or a family member posts something on there and I've got 4,000 friends, it disappears so fast I never see it.
Yeah.
Or there are so many notifications that I can't get to them all. So we're trying to keep that part separate, and I hope you understand that. So if you have sent a friend request to my personal Facebook page and I haven't approved it, please understand why.
Right. Well, you know, like right now, I'm using my Facebook page, my sister and I, to help coordinate everything for my mom's memorial. It's just a lot of family and closer friends and some distant family. So if I let that get too big, it become too unwieldy for me to be able to use it.
Right.
But our Tiny House Prepper group, we would love for that to get huge.
Absolutely.
That
Yeah.
would love to interact with you guys on Tiny House
If you
Prepper.
if you want to connect with us on Facebook, that's the place to do it. Our
Yeah.
Tiny House Prepper Facebook group.
Yeah, that would
And
be great.
also, if you want to send me a personal message, then you can access that from the Tiny House Prepper Facebook
Yes.
group to send me a personal,
Yes.
Facebook instant message.
Yeah.
Yeah. We also have one other account that I'm kind of excited about and kind of nervous about, just because I don't know that much about it. But
It's new for us.
I just recently opened an Instagram account,
Yeah, we're getting there, folks.
and yeah, so we're big time now.
Oh yeah. Oh gosh, we're so behind the times. It's hilarious.
We're finally entering it into the 21st century.
Maybe just a little,
Yeah.
you know.
So
I don't know when we got old, but we did.
So anyway, on the Instagram account, so far we did a bunch of photos from our trip to Moab, Utah, and then I just put on a bunch of photos of me when I was younger doing adventurous things like rock climbing and stuff like that. So
He's definitely an adrenaline junkie.
yeah, so we'll be building that a lot more. We got to find some pictures of you to put on there for them.
Yeah, we'll come up with stuff.
Yeah.
We're just getting started on it.
So yeah. And I have only just recently opened the account, and I've started subscribing. Is that the word? Following? I don't even know the word. Some other YouTubers that I know to see what they're doing on Instagram, so I can learn it myself. But anyway, so there it is. We have several different Facebook group pages that you might be interested in, and then we have the Instagram.
Right.
And like I said, the links to every one of them will be in the description down below.
Right. I mean, I'm proud of us. We're really, you know, we've worked very hard to learn to navigate YouTube. We're trying to get things going with Facebook and Instagram. I don't know about tweeting and what all the different things.
Yeah, I
that
don't
we-
even know how to do a twiddle.
I don't, yeah, Twitter or whatever it is. and then there's you know, oh, there's so many different. I mean, I get them all mixed up. But we're trying, and like I said, you know, we're very thrilled to be here with you guys on YouTube, and we'd love to have you join us on Tiny House Prepper Facebook group. We love your comments on YouTube, and we're trying to Instagram.
Yep.
So,
All right, so that's it. Follow us follow our videos on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook, on Tiny House Prepper Facebook group, and on Instagram, Tiny House Prepper Instagram.
right. So, yeah, we're sitting enjoying.
And Thriving Good Recipes.
Yeah, I think you'd enjoy
Yep.
that.
Yep.
Sitting out here under the trees, it's a wonderful, beautiful day today. I'm enjoying spring getting here.
We've had about 3 or 4 days now of sweater weather like this.
Actual
So.
springy. It's
Yep.
wonderful.
Yep, it really is.
We're working hard to get everything ready to go here, and yeah.
Ready to go.
Oh, because we're getting the you're going to see this after we're already on the road, but we're getting ready to take the RV out and go on our first big adventure.
Right.
Going to go to
right.
Mom's memorial and then visit some family, and we'll be out for a little while. I'm excited about it.
Yep.
So we'll share that with you guys.
Absolutely.
So.
All right, everybody. That's it.
Yep. Exciting, huh? Yeah. Alrighty, we wanted to let you guys know, and also make sure you understand, you know, why we've tried to kind of keep our personal Facebook pages smaller.
Right.
You know.
So, okay,
So,
everybody.
alrighty.
Yep. Be blessed.
Alrighty.
We'll see you next time.
I hope you're having a glorious day. Live simple, live free. Okay, bye guys. Love you.